Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to Little Champs. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of animals and their adorable babies. Are you ready? Let's go. Meet the giant of the jungle, the elephant. The baby elephant is called a calf. Isn't it cute? And here's the king of the jungle, the lion. Baby lions are called cubs. They love to play and practice their roars. Look at this sneaky crocodile. Its babies are called hatchlings. Can you guess where they come from? That's right, it's eggs. Now let's head to the chilly Arctic. Baby polar bears are called cubs. They stay warm by snuggling with their moms. Here's a dog, and its baby is called a puppy. Puppies are full of energy and love to play. Cats have adorable babies called kittens. Look how curious and playful they are. Ducks have fluffy little ducklings that follow their mom everywhere. Isn't that sweet? Hens have baby chicks. Did you know they communicate with their babies even before they hatch? Look at this squirrel family. Baby squirrels are called kits, and they're born without fur. In the water world, baby fish are called fry. They're tiny but quick swimmers. Here's a goat and its baby, called a kid. Look how bouncy they are. A cow's baby is called a calf. Calves drink milk from their moms to grow strong. Owls have babies called owlets. They look like little fluff balls. Bunnies alert. Rabbits have babies called kits. They love to hop and nibble on greens. Finally, here's a sheep with its baby, a lamb. Lambs love to frolic and play.